Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade Insightly for better CRM solutions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your Insightly for better CRM solutions, begin by logging into your Insightly account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings gear icon located in the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the plan and pricing option. Click on plan and pricing to view the available subscription plans. Review the different packages offered, paying close attention to the features each plan includes. Determine which plan best suits your business needs for enhanced CRM functionalities. Once you've made your decision, click the upgrade button next to your chosen plan. You will be prompted to enter your payment details for the upgrade. Fill in the necessary billing information accurately. After entering your details, confirm the upgrade by clicking the submit button. Your account will process the upgrade, which may take a few moments. Once the upgrade is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. Take a moment to explore the new features available in your upgraded plan. Consider customizing your dashboard to better align with your business requirements. Utilize the advanced analytics and reporting tools to gain insights into your customer relationships. Make sure to train your team on the new features to maximize your CRM capabilities. Now, integrate any additional tools or apps that complement your upgraded Insightly solution. Regularly review your CRM setup to ensure it continues to meet your evolving business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.